Hello, once again, you welcome to FTGFs Weekly Market Outlook. And what we do is we share with you potential market moves that has chances of, having impact in the market. Okay, you can use it as an educational material to guide you in your trading decisions. Okay, next week is going to be a very busy week for gold traders, crude oil traders, forex traders, crypto traders. Now, in the commodities markets, I'm talking about the gold, crude oil. You should be mindful of the tension between Israel and Iran at the moment. You know, they are striking missiles at each other, which is also translating, or the impact is also being felt in the forex market, commodities market, and the other markets as well. So yes, let's delve into it and then see how it goes. Okay, so now we are using ingot brokers, and the reason why I'm using ingot brokers is it's been in existence since 2006. Okay, it tells you how long or how reliable they are. Have regulations globally, over 5 regulations, have offices globally, a regional sponsor or partner of La Liga. Okay, so if you're a football fan, I'm sure you know what La Liga is all about. So yes, let's delve into it. Now, with our analysis, we look at the technical bits of things and then fundamental bit of things, but we look at the fundamentals. We look at in the forex market, the news coming up, the events, so that you would also stay on guard and then see how to manage your trades. Okay, so when you visit the ingots.io, okay, you move your mouse to the top, you click at resources, okay, come down, you select economic calendar. Now in economic calendar, you scroll down, you click here where we have the dates, then you select next week, okay, because it's next week that we want to. So next week, 16th, that is Monday. So 16th, we have news coming up. That's on a Monday, okay, from China, Switzerland, in the Eurozone, Japan. But Japan is going to have its interest rates, or Bank of Japan is going to have its interest rates news out or coming up in the coming week. Also, what that simply means is that if you are trading JPY pairs, you need to be mindful of this news. We have news from the US, a lot of news from Japan. On Tuesday, we have CPI news from the UK. Okay, Eurozone, we have CPI news as well coming up, and Canada, US. So we have important news coming up. Interest rate news also coming out from the US. Okay, let me confirm the day again. That's going to be on moment. Okay, on Wednesday. Okay, so on Wednesday we have interest rate news coming up from the US. Okay, so if you're trading USD pairs, you need to be mindful of this event. Okay, on Thursday we also have interest rate news coming from the Swiss National Bank, or so Switzerland. If you're trading CHF pairs, you need to be also mindful of what's coming up. And then England on Thursday, the same Thursday, we have news or interest rate news coming from England as well. Okay, so you need to be mindful of these. Okay, so in the forex markets, I just shared with you some of the events coming up and then how to position yourself and the pairs to look at. So interest rate news from the UK, GBP pairs, US USD pairs, JPY pairs, Japan, CHF pairs, Swiss francs. Okay, so you need to be mindful of these events coming up. Okay, all right. Now, if you are using ingot brokers, ingot brokers platform, you can access free trading signals, education. Feel free to reach out for me to assist you on how to access all of these features. Okay, all right. Now let's look at the technical analysis side of things. Okay, so I'm opening my MT5 now. Like I said, there's a lot happening in the commodities markets. gold, crude oil, gold, crude oil, mainly in the commodities markets as a result of the tension between Israel and Iran. You need to be mindful of that. Forex market, I told you we have interest rate news coming from US, Switzerland, Japan, Great Britain. You need to position yourself. And Bitcoin, Bitcoin, you know how Bitcoin plays out. So we are going to look out for the potential moves in these markets. Okay, now the first one we are going to look at is BTCUSD, that is Bitcoin. Okay, so if you look at this chart closely, a moment. Okay, so if you look at this chart closely, you realize in a 4-hour chart, you realize that Bitcoin has been in an uptrend for some time now. Okay, so from price action point of view, we select our uptrend line and then we identify our key levels. Okay, so from here the uptrend move started from it started from here as our reference, and then price got rejected here. Okay, as you can see, price got rejected here, and currently we have price rejection here. Okay, so now if this price rejection holds, okay, then there are high chances price is going to keep going up. Okay, so like I said, reference uptrend started here, price got rejected here, and currently we've had another price rejection here. So if you're a trader looking out for a buy opportunity in the crypto market and Bitcoin to be specific, once you have the price rejected here, there are high chances price is going to go up, so you can place your buy trade and have your stop loss below the uptrend line. Okay, but if you're also looking out for a sell opportunity, you wait for the candlestick or for the price to break the uptrend line to the downside, then you can place your sell trade and then have your stop loss above the uptrend line. Like I said, in all of these, ensure you have proper risk management, and which includes your lot size, your stop loss, your take profits, and all of that. Okay, now let's go to the commodities markets. Okay, so in the commodities markets, if you look at this closely, okay, a moment, let me just switch. All right, so now in the commodities market, you realize that there were some spikes here, as you can see, and like I said, it's as a result of mainly influenced by the tension between Israel and Iran. You know, Iran, when it comes to oil, they have a say in there. Okay, so whenever something happens to them, it's definitely going to affect oil prices, or high chances going to affect oil prices. Now, if you look at this, you realize that this is a key level. Okay, and that being the resistance at the moment, we can see clearly that this resistance has been broken to the upside. Okay, so this and this and this has been broken to the upside. So if you're looking out for a buy opportunity in the crude oil, okay, or US oil, you can, once you have the resistance broken, you can place your buy trade, have your stop loss below the resistance. If you're also looking out for a sell opportunity, you can wait for the resistance, which is broken and currently serving as a support, to be broken to the downside. Okay, you place your trade, you have your stop loss above the resistance or currently serving as a support, and then your take profits. All of these ensure you have proper risk management measures in place. Okay, now let's look at the gold market. If you look at the gold market currently, like I said, the strike, the tension between Israel and Iran is really causing a lot of chaos in the markets. Okay, so in the gold markets too, looking at this closely, you can see that we have price. Okay, so this reference and this point. Okay, so we can see that price is hovering around the resistance now. Okay, trying to break it, rejection and all of that. So if you're a trader looking out for a buy opportunity, all you need to do is you wait for the resistance to get broken, then you place your buy trade. Okay, if you're also looking out for a sell opportunity, you wait to get the resistance rejecting the price to the downside, you place your sell trade and ensure you have proper risk management measures in place. If you don't know about these, you can join our free educational sessions and learn more about that. Okay, so these are the opportunities in the gold markets. Now let's look into the forex market. Now in the forex market, like I said, there are a lot of interest rate news coming up in the coming week. We have news coming from England, which is definitely going to affect GBP, USD, or GBP pairs. Okay, so let's have a good look at this. It's been in an uptrend for some time now, and in an uptrend, this was this is the reference where the uptrend move started. Here, a moment, let me try. Okay, so the uptrend move started from here, and then price got rejected here. Okay, and currently we have another price rejection. Okay, there was a bit of rejection here. It didn't really touch or got rejected by the uptrend line, but it was so close. Okay, now we have full rejections here. Now if you're looking out for a buy opportunity, once you have the uptrend line rejecting the price, you can place your buy trade, have your stop loss below the uptrend line. Proper risk management once again. If you're looking out for a sell opportunity, you can wait for the candlestick to break the uptrend line to the downside. Okay, which tells you the high chances price is going to go down. You have your stop loss above the uptrend line. Okay, always ensure you have proper risk management measures. Now, when it comes to USDJPY, you can see, just looking at this. Okay, we are seeing a couple of rejections. Okay, price rejections here, where the move started from here. A moment, where the move started from here as our reference. Okay, and then price was a bit close to the uptrend line there, but it didn't. But we had a rejection here. We had another rejection here, and currently we have another rejection. Okay, so if you are looking out for a buy opportunity in the USDJPY markets, remember I said there's going to be interest rate news, is going to affect it. All you can do is you can place your trade, or once you have the price rejected by the uptrend line, you place your trade, you have your stop loss below the uptrend, you have your stop take profits above. All of these ensure you have proper risk management measures in place. If you're also looking out for a sell opportunity, you wait for this trend line to get broken to the downside, you place your trades. Okay, USDCHF, okay, or Swiss francs. Okay, if you look at these closely, okay, you realize that this support is currently being tested. If you look at this from here and from here, okay, price, this is the support. Price getting tested here again at this support. Okay, if you are looking out for a sell opportunity, you wait for this support to get broken to the downside, you place your sell trade, and then proper risk management. If you're also looking out for a buy opportunity, once the price gets rejected or the candlestick gets rejected by the support, you place your buy trade. Also apply proper risk management measures. Okay, in all of these, if you don't know how to go about these analysis, how to trade, understanding the market very well, reach out to me. Enjoy free educational sessions. Yes, you enjoy free educational sessions, and also access Ingot Brokers signals, copy trading, partnership, and all. Join me. Let's all see how best we can make good use of Ingot Brokers platform. Trade, understand the market properly. Thank you very much. Catch you next week. Bye bye.